Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the Huawei WS331c Wi-Fi extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2 minutes. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. In the first step, unbox the extender box. Inside the Huawei WS331c Extender box, you'll find the Huawei WS331c Wireless Range Extender unit, a quick start guide/user manual, and usually a warranty card. It may also include a safety information booklet and sometimes a small setup card to help you get started easily. Now plug the Huawei WS331c into a power socket close to your router. Turn it on and wait 30 to 60 seconds. The LED indicator should become steady, white/green, meaning it's ready. Find the WPS button on your existing Wi-Fi router. It's usually labeled WPS, often located on the back or side of the router. It may be a physical button or a software WPS function in the router's settings page. Press and hold the WPS button on the router for about 2 to 3 seconds. The router's WPS LED light will start blinking, indicating it's in pairing mode. Press and hold the WPS button on the WS331c for about 1 to 2 seconds. Release the button when the extender's LED starts blinking. The extender is now trying to connect to the router. Wait for 1 to 3 minutes. During this time, the extender automatically copies your router's Wi-Fi name, SSID, copies your router's Wi-Fi password, matches the security settings. When the LED becomes solid, steady, the WPS setup is successful. Unplug the extender from the socket. Place it halfway between the router and weak signal area. Now the setup is successfully complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.